Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on voice access in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To turn our voice access on, we have to go to the settings, of course. Then at the bottom we have accessibility and interaction and dexterity. Here we have our voice access. By default it's turned off, of course. To turn it on, simply tap this little button here, and we can also enable our shortcuts. We can use this button right here, slide button, press side and volume up buttons. Let's use our little menu here. To enable it, we have to tap it once. Settings. And it works. To turn it off, stop listening. And now it does not listen. Turn it off and it's in our default now. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.